Today, we're diving into one of the most essential skills for any Jira user: how to quickly and effectively search for issues in Jira software. If you've ever felt frustrated hunting for a specific ticket, task, or bug in your project, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to locate issues in Jira without wasting time, so you can focus on the work that matters. Let's get right into the first method, using Jira's quick search. This is your go-to move when you need to pull up an issue fast, especially if you know a few details about what you're looking for. First, take a look at your Jira interface. No matter what page you're on, you'll see a search bar positioned right at the top center of your screen. It's almost like a built-in GPS for your issues. Now, when you click into the search bar, you can start typing. And here, where Jira really shines with its intuitive instant search, you might enter a keyword, something like login bug or onboarding. If you know the specific issue key, which is that unique identifier for every task or ticket, think something like PROJ101 or DEV214, go ahead and type that in. Jira will immediately begin scanning your project and in real time, display matching results in a drop-down menu right below the search bar. Let's say you're looking for a bug assigned to Anna in the payments project. You can just type Anna's name, a keyword like payment, or even a combination. The search will pick up on these details and show you every issue that's relevant, whether it's a task, a story, a subtask, or a bug. This instant dropdown is super handy when you're in meetings, or when your manager asks about an issue on the spot and you need to pull up the details in seconds. And don't worry if your search doesn't show exactly what you want on the first try. You can tweak your keyword, try the issue key, or even the reporter's name until you spot the issue you're after. Once you see the correct issue in the results list, simply click on it. Jira will open up the full issue details for you in a new view. From here, you can review the description, check the status, add a comment, or make updates. One little tip: if you notice lots of similar results and it feels overwhelming, pause for a second and use more specific keywords or filter by the assignee or project name. The more precise your search terms, the faster you'll find what you need. That's really all there is to using quick search in Jira. It's fast, intuitive, and honestly, once you start using it regularly, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Whether you're tracking down a particular bug, referencing a task for your sprint, or just double-checking something someone mentioned in a stand-up, this method will save you a ton of time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions about searching in Jira or want to see more tips and tricks, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more clear and practical Jira tutorials. See you in the next video.